The ultimate beginner's guide to data engineering. Data engineering is the process of designing, building, and maintaining the infrastructure that enables the efficient storage, processing, and analysis of large data sets. It is a crucial component of data science and machine learning, and it plays a critical role in the success of any organization that relies on data-driven decision-making. If you're new to data engineering, don't worry. In this beginner's guide, we will explore the basics of data engineering and provide a roadmap for getting started in this exciting field. First, let's understand the basics of data management and data warehousing. Data modeling is the process of creating a conceptual representation of data and the relationships between different data entities. It involves defining the structure of the data, including the entities, attributes, and relationships. This is important for understanding how data should be organized and stored in a database. Data warehousing is the process of collecting, storing, and managing large amounts of data from various sources. The data is then made available for reporting, analysis, and decision-making. Data warehousing is critical for data engineering as it enables organizations to make sense of large data sets and gain insights from them. Data integration is the process of combining data from multiple sources into a single, unified view. This is important for data engineering as it enables organizations to combine data from different systems and make it available for reporting and analysis. Data governance is the set of policies, procedures, and standards that are put in place to ensure that data is accurate, consistent, and protected. It encompasses the management of data quality, data security, and data privacy. Understanding data governance is important for data engineering as it ensures that data is reliable and trustworthy. Now that you have a basic understanding of the concepts, it's time to start learning the skills needed to become a data engineer. SQL, Structured Query Language, is the language used for managing and querying relational databases, which are the backbone of most data infrastructure. Learn the basics of SQL, including how to write queries, create tables, and work with data. Python is the most popular programming language for data engineering and data science. Learn Python and its popular libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn to manipulate and analyze data. Big data technologies such as Hadoop, Spark, and Hive are used to handle large data sets. Learn about these technologies and how they can be used to process and analyze big data. Cloud services like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud are widely used for data storage and processing. Learn about cloud-based data storage and processing services such as Amazon S3, Amazon Redshift, and Google BigQuery. Once you have learned the basics, start a small project to put your skills into practice. A simple data warehousing or data integration project can help you understand the end-to-end process of data engineering. Join a community of data engineers, either online or in person, where you can share knowledge and ask questions. This can be a great way to learn from others and stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies. Data engineering is a challenging but rewarding field. With the right skills and experience, you can help organizations make better use of their data and drive business growth. Start learning today, and you'll be well on your way to a successful career in data engineering. If you want to learn from botMasterji, do subscribe our channel for more. Thank you.